Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey, another Saturday, another shave, and I say it every week, but haven't we got a good one lined up for you today? You've seen the thumbnail, a bit pink I think, but there it is. We don't care here on Johnsville. We just like to make good thumbnails and good shaves. Please click like and subscribe, and a little bit of housekeeping before we go any further. The shaving time discount, you may have noticed, it's been reduced. Nothing to do with me. I just got an email telling me that had been reduced from 10% to 5%. So you still get a discount at shaving time, but it's now only 5%. So there you go, keep that in mind. Right, let's have a rundown. Okay, the brush, as you've seen, love this brush. PAA Starwisp, I like this brush. 26mm. I used it for one reason and one reason only. Look at that. I haven't put anything in the official John Shave Super Soaker, but we'll get that now. In the official John Shave Super Soaker, that's the first John Shaves Super Soaker. Here's the other John Shaves Super Soaker. Coffee. Timmy's 2 shots off caramel syrup. How'd you take yours? I need it. I need the boost. I need the sugar rush. Okay. Yeah, I use that brush because of the colour. Pretty much the same as I used that because of the colour. Pretty much the same as I used the Nacets there because of the colour. This is not the shave that I had planned. What happened was I ordered this stuff, the razor. Here we go. YAQI Knights Helmet. Look at this. This is an absolute beast of a razor, guys. Oh my word. Have I got the growth for it? I don't think I have. But I like a bit of aggression. I like a bit of blade. Let's get these Nacets in it. These Nacets were... Who sent me these Nacet blades? Someone sent me these Nacet blades. And I can't think who they came in, but thank you, whoever you are. It's that dad brain again. Let's get it in there. Let's put that there. There came 4 of them in a pack. I can't remember where from. There you go. Look at that. Look, wow. Like the Grand Canyon. They just cut your face off that, wouldn't it? But you see, we're going to have a good shave. We'll get that in there. Yeah, not the shave I had planned because I was sat here a couple of days ago and at the door, who is that? Got handed a box, opened the box, absolute no recollection of ordering it. There it is, Zingari Man, the Gent. Completely and utterly forgot. It was only once it came and I opened it, I was like, oh yeah, completely forgotten about that. There you go. Well, you know, I'm a being picky. It's got a lot of money, this, guys. See the label? It's not level at the top and then overhanging here. Can you see that at the bottom? So that's catching it. And then there, it's lopsided and goes up over that lip there. I don't want to attempt pulling it off. I know, picky, but there you go. There's the pour, guys. Oh look, do you know what that looks like there? As I look at it here. Do you know one of them Sharpie dogs that have got all that skin and fat on their face? There you go. Oh, it smells nice. Here we go. There you go. Shaving time. No, shaving station, actually. I think I got this wrong. And I'll just very briefly. The Gent, short from Zingari Man, is a modern barbershop fragrance brought to life by perfumer Sean Mayer of Mayer Olfactive. Top notes: eucalyptus, grapefruit peels, lime and neroli. I get the lime. Heart note: muskwoods, jade, jasmine, citrus, coumarin and herbs. I get citrus and herbs. Base note: muskwoods, amber and rose. I get the amber. There you go. So what is it that I get from this? I get lime, citrus, herbs and amber. Absolutely wonderful. Smells great. To me, guys, and some people might not like me saying this because this is supposed to be high-end stuff, but to me, this shares a DNA with Club and Panard. It does, and that's what it reminded me of when I sniffed it. So anyway, without further ado, we'll wet the face, and then we'll have this shave. And if I can remember, we'll talk some stuff. How are you doing? There you go, let's get that. See, that's a better sized pot, isn't it, than the little one from the last shave. Don't know, I've only ever used one Zingari Man product before, and it was the Watchman. And actually I didn't use it. The smell from the pot actually made me retch. It smelled like a dirty, dank pond. Oh, there's no way I'm using that. So I gave it away. But the person I gave it to, I think he likes it, don't you, Lee? I think I did a competition and Lee might have won. But anyway. Yeah, there's definitely, to me, I'm picking up that amber now, but I'm picking something else up and I'm not quite sure of what it is. What I usually do when I get soaps like this, guys, I usually sit on the bed. I sniff it first, blind, and then I will sit on the bed and I will sniff and I will look at the notes, and then sniff and look at the notes. And try and figure out what it is that I'm getting. That's said, listen. Now I've lathered it up, what am I getting? Eucalyptus, grapefruit, musk, neroli, hay, jasmine. I'll have to find out what coumarin is. Musk, woods, amber and rose. I have a feeling it may be that neroli it's got. Do you know, I'm picking up a hint of lily of the valley, but I don't think there's anything in those scent notes for that. So that's what I'm picking up. Yeah, I'm getting that quite strong now. There you go. Let's have a go. See where we can go. Oh my word. Look. That is just bold now. Oh my word. Do you know these guys don't mess about, do they? You just know you are going to get flesh and blood when you use a YAQI Knights helmet. This is a beast. Okay. So what are your shaves of the day? Please let me know what your shaves of the day are. And as it's a Saturday, let me know what your slurps of the day are. I'll be having Old Faithful. I only drink on a Saturday now, because I'm trying to cut back on everything. Look here, I've opened it. Do you remember from the other day? I felt myself open that. It is a beauty spot. It's not actually, is it? Look at it, I'm flipping beautiful about it. But anyway, yeah. Yeah, as everything opens up in the UK now, things are really starting to take off. And I think it's being reflected in the channel views, not getting as much. I've noticed that this week in particular. And then in my own private life, things have opened up too. So there's going to be a lot of juggling going around in the next few weeks. Things are opening up more and more, you know, here in the UK. I'm going to have to try and juggle, get the work-life balance back. Because before I used to come home, film a shave video. That was it. Not now. Not now. Things are going full steam ahead. And there's stuff, in my private life, clubs that I used to do and volunteer work that I used to do, and charity work that I used to do and other stuff that I used to do, you know. And it's all going live. Pretty much most of it now. It's coming back live again by at least the 1st of April, so I'm gonna have to try and get used to that. But calm down. Like you see, he's all getting upset and agitated now and shaking. The videos will continue. Because fortunately, all that stuff that needs to be done and it takes time, it is all stuff that can be flexibly jiggled about. So, and the stuff that can't be jiggled about, fits in with the videos anyway, so wow. That is an absolute beast. An absolute beast of a razor. Here we go. Oh, that soap is very slick. I would give it scent strength. I would put it at 6. And when it's lathered, the scent profile changed for me. Yeah, the scent profile changed a little bit for me, but it didn't gain or lose anything in strength. So there you go. That was it. Please keep all your likes and comments coming. They help the analytics. Like I said, I've had some new subscribers, so thanks to them. And that's it, life. This past week, it's just been bed work, you know. Decorating, which won't be finished this weekend, but it should be 90% of the way there this weekend. So that's my plans. That's actually my plans for this weekend, is I'm decorating the bathroom. Wow. I feel I should stop talking now when I'm using this razor on this pass. Have you used the YAQI Knights helmet? Let me know. I've just gone over it again. Honestly, I have got. I think I've just cut my neck as well. I have got the attention span of a gnat. I have. And I've got the willpower of a gnat's left shoelace. I really have. So let me know what your shares are. Let me know if you've used this. Let me know about today's shave. I take, oh, it's against, isn't it? Come on. I take everything on board that you said. Can you see the pimples there? Just like little uneven blemishes in the skin. Well, the YAQI Knights helmet is going to get them. It's a very, very slick soap. There you go. Look at that it made. And we weren't loading for long, were we, guys? Very, very slick. Very, very nice. Apart from that, it's not too bad. It's shaving, isn't it, guys? If there isn't a bit of blood, you're doing something wrong. That's what I say. Listen to me, I've been wet shaving 10 years and never cut myself. Yeah, well, try putting a razor blade in it, mate. There you go. That's us. That is our shave. Oh. So I'm going to finish my Timmies now. And then I'm going to cook a meal. I can't remember what it is. I'm cooking tonight. Oh, I think we're having hot dogs. Oh. Yeah, I think we're having hot dogs. Samantha's cooked a chilli. You know, Samantha the thief. Thief, do you know in my day, I come in the bathroom, guys. Came home today, came in the bathroom to film shave after work. I work 25 hours a day, 8 days a week. The only pleasure I get in life is Johnsville. Came home. What was on the bathroom windowsill? Right? On the bathroom windowsill, you see, and look what I'm using. Yeah, and that was not what I used in the last shave. So some little tea leaf has gone in my shave den and helped themselves to a PAA soap and a PAA brush. No doubt for shaving legs. Do you know in my day, guys, they'd have been tarred and feathered. They'd have been rolled in tar and then rolled in feathers. Here we go. Zingari Man. Let's see if we get... I'm expecting sting. Is there alcohol in this? This is quite skin foody. Recovery splash. I don't think I've used a recovery splash. Thank you, Christopher Thompson. He sent me some Zingari Man. I was going to use that first. But then, like I said, I saw this and... Yeah, there's no... You see, now what I'm getting from this is the rose. Yeah, I'm getting the rose and I'm getting some herbs. And that's quite good. So what's in this? Oh, cherry blossom. I'm going to smell like something strange, aren't I? Hey, rose, herbs, cherry blossom, amber, ylang-ylang. Oh man. You know that big bunch of flowers Paul H has behind him when he's doing his shave? So I'm going to smell like that today. Get that up there. That's it, guys. Thanks for sticking with me. That's the shave. I'll just rinse my hands off. Don't worry, calm down again. You're a jittery lot today, aren't you? I'm still going to do the Lancashire lean. Are you ready? It's mainly for the win. Absolutely. Here we go. Look at that. We did okay, didn't we? Apart from that there, which is healing. It's okay. There's nothing. It's absolute BBS, guys. Absolute BBS. Absolutely wonderful. Set me up for the weekend. Thanks for listening. Thanks for sticking with me. Thanks for all the comments and the likes that help the analytics and help the channel. Let me know what you thought about the shave, good and bad. Can take it. See that look? See that big strip of muscle? Look after yourselves and remember, be the one to show someone some love. And it's easy to love people that love you back. Show some love to someone that's never shown you any. And then you're doing okay then. Look after yourselves, guys. We're coming out, aren't we? Life is getting back to normal. I will see you on Wednesday for the shave I had planned for today until my memory came back. Bye.